In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel sheet to PDF. If you want to share an Excel file without worrying about formatting changing from one device to another, saving it as a PDF is a great option. A PDF keeps your content looking consistent, which is especially helpful for reports, invoices, schedules, or any worksheet you want others to view or print exactly as intended. To begin, open Excel and then open the workbook that contains the worksheet you want to convert. Make sure you're in the correct file before moving on, especially if you have multiple workbooks open. Once your workbook is open, go to the File menu. From there, select Save As. This is where you'll choose both the location and the format for your new file. Pick the folder where you want the PDF to be saved so it's easy to find later. Next, look for the Save As Type drop-down menu, click it, and choose PDF. If needed, enter a file name for your PDF. It's a good idea to give it a clear name so you can quickly recognize it later, especially if you're saving multiple versions of the same document. You'll also see an Optimize for section. Here you can choose standard or minimum size. Standard is usually the best choice if you want better quality for printing or easier reading. Minimum size is useful if you want a smaller file that's easier to upload or share online. If you want more control over what gets included in the PDF, click Options. This is an important step if you don't want to export the entire workbook. In the Options window, you can choose Selection if you only want the cells you currently have highlighted. You can choose Active Sheet or Sheets if you only want the worksheet you're working on. Or if you want everything in the workbook included, choose Entire Workbook. After making your selection, click OK to confirm. When everything looks right, click Save. Excel will then create the PDF and save it to the folder you selected. After saving, it's a smart idea to open the PDF and quickly review it. This helps you confirm that the right sheet was included and that the layout looks the way you expected. If something doesn't look right, you can go back to Excel, adjust your sheet, and save it as a PDF again. That's all it takes to convert an Excel sheet to PDF. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.